Hi everyone, my name is Naz and today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the SP Connect Bike Mount Bundle for the Samsung Galaxy S10. The SP Connect Bike Bundle lets you mount your smartphone to your bike using a clamp mount or a stem mount. The bundle that I got is for the Samsung Galaxy S10. You can get these bundles for different phones. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. Alright guys, so this is everything that comes inside the box. Comes with this leaflet which shows other SP Connect products. Comes with a clamp mount which can be used to mount your phone onto the bicycle handlebar. However, I won't be using it to mount my phone onto the handlebar. I'll try and use this to mount my phone onto my helmet to see if I can use it as an action camera. One thing I forgot to mention is that the mounts themselves are both GoPro compatible. The bundle does come with a converter which can be used to attach onto the mount, and then from there we can attach the phone onto the mount. The other mount it comes with is the stem mount, which can be used to attach your phone directly onto the bike stem. The stem mount is also GoPro compatible. Surprisingly, the bundle also comes with the Allen key. One thing special about this Allen key, one side is bigger than the other side. This is to help with installation. The other thing it comes with is a adhesive mount, which has 3M adhesive on the back. It can be attached onto any flat surface, and then from there you can attach your phone onto the surface. The bundle also comes with this attachment which allows for the phone to be mounted horizontally or vertically. The other accessory it comes with is this tilt accessory which allows you to tilt your phone to get the right viewing angle while you're riding your bike. The accessory should be mounted onto the stem mount or the clamp mount, and then from there the phone should be mounted onto the accessory itself. As you just saw, it's really easy to assemble. Once you have the right angle set on the accessory, you just need to tighten this screw and it will be secure and in place. The bundle also comes with this key which has a special shape inside, and then that can be used to tighten or loosen the tilt accessory. I don't think it's necessary to use this. You can just hand tighten the accessory without using the key. The other thing the key can be used for is to attach the key onto the back of the cover, and then from there the cover can be used as a phone stand also, but I don't see the key being very useful other than that. Alright, so finally we can take a look at the cover itself. It comes with the instructions manual. The middle part of the cover is slightly thicker than the rest of the cover. That's to allow space for the mounting mechanism. On the inside of the cover it has this foam material. This is to absorb shocks while you're riding your bike. It also comes with this rain cover so that you can keep your phone mounted on the bike even while it's raining. Alright guys, so I currently use the Spigen Tough Armor phone cover for my phone. I'm going to be switching it out for this SP Connect phone cover. Let's just see how it fits. Alright guys, so now the cover is on. You can see that the buttons are still fully functional. The volume buttons work, the power button works, and also the Bixby button works. On my phone I have the Bixby button set to start the camera. One thing I forgot to mention is that I use a tempered glass screen protector. Even with the SP Connect phone cover on, it doesn't seem to have affected the screen protector at all. The top and bottom of the cover is raised so that the phone can be placed on a flat surface so the screen doesn't touch the surface. The cover feels really solid once it's on the phone. It feels like it'll protect the phone really well. It's not as good as my Spigen cover, but it still feels really good in the hand. I would say slimmer than the Spigen Tough Armor cover. It's easier to hold than the Spigen cover. There's a hole at the top for the top microphone. There's 3 holes at the bottom, one for the headphone jack, one for the USB, and one for the speaker. Let's test the USB and see if it fits. The USB-C port still fits. It does have enough clearance for it to fit the normal charger and a aftermarket charger. Now let's test the rain cover. I finally got the rain cover on. It is a really tight fit. The buttons still work. The holes at the top and bottom are covered, so you won't have access to your charging port or your headphone jack when you have the cover on. The phone feels really well protected with the rain cover on. It's hard to feel where the buttons are. It's just a smooth surface. I think an improvement to this rain cover would be to have the buttons on the outside also. Right, so using the clamp mount, I tried mounting the phone onto my helmet so that I could try and use the phone as an action camera, but it didn't didn't work with the clamp and the attachments. There's no way to mount the phone in a position where it will be a good view for the camera. I also tried mounting my phone horizontally on the back. That didn't work either. So if you're trying to buy the bundle to use your phone as an action camera, that's not going to work. Alright guys, so I have the stem mount installed onto the bike. Now I will install the adapter onto the stem mount. To do that, I'll just line it up and slot it into place. Once that's in, it's secure, it's not going anywhere, and it's ready for the phone to be mounted on. To install the phone onto the bike, all you need to do is make sure that the ridges on the bike lines up with the slots on the phone, and once it's lined up, you just twist and it locks into place. I will say, once it's locked into place, it does move. It is easy to move side to side, but it's not easy to move up and down. Alright guys, so from the last clip you might have noticed that the phone is cracked in two different places. It's actually not the screen that's cracked. I have a tempered glass screen protector on, so hopefully that's what's cracked. I used the Whitestone dome glass screen protector, so hopefully that's protected my phone from the fall. I think it's only the screen protector that's cracked. When I was testing the mount, I was trying to attach the phone onto the mount, and I put the phone on the bike. I forgot to slot the ridges onto the cover properly before twisting it 90 degrees. When I let go, the phone fell onto the concrete, and that's what cracked the tempered glass screen protector. I think if I had the rain cover on, it wouldn't have cracked the screen protector. With the rain cover, the phone is really well protected, even from drops. Do I think it's worth getting the SP Connect bike mount bundle? Well, the cover that comes with the bundle is okay. It's not the best cover out there. Compared to the Spigen Tough Armor cover, the Spigen Tough Armor cover offers much more protection. However, once the rain cover is on, it offers much more protection than the Spigen Tough Armor cover. I'll definitely be using the rain cover whenever I go cycling, even when it's not raining. If you're clumsy like me, make sure you practice attaching the phone onto the bike a few times before going out for a ride. If the attaching mechanism isn't on properly, the phone will fall. I learned that the hard way. One thing I forgot to mention is that with the rain cover on, the fingerprint sensor doesn't work. However, the touchscreen still works. Overall, I think the bike bundle is worth it, provided you use the rain cover and you learn how to use the mechanism properly. Thanks for watching my unboxing and review of the SP Connect bike bundle for the Samsung Galaxy S10. I hope you enjoyed the video or learned something from it. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment with any feedback.